Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to allow displaying tagged photos to friends of friends on Facebook using the latest update on your PC. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll have full control over who sees the photos others tag you in. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it's open, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture right there at the top. Click on your profile picture to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the tools that let you customize your Facebook experience. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage every part of your account, from security to privacy and more. Now, look at the left side of your screen and select Profile and Tagging. This is where you can control how others interact with your profile, including posts and tags that involve you. Once you're inside the Profile and Tagging section, find the option that says who can see what others post on your profile. This controls who can view posts like tagged photos that other people share with you in them. Next to that option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to open a list of visibility choices. By default, it might be set to friends or something else. To expand the visibility a bit, choose Friends of Friends. This setting ensures that not just your direct friends, but also their friends can see posts and photos in which you've been tagged. Once you've selected Friends of Friends, click on Done. Facebook will automatically save your changes. And that's it. You've now successfully adjusted your tagging visibility settings on Facebook. From this point on, when someone tags you in a photo, it'll be visible to both your friends and their friends. It's a great way to stay connected while still keeping a handle on your privacy. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more quick, easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.